Okay. Hi, my name is Madeline Gruber.
Hi, my name is Nico Yankovic.
And we will be talking about question number 4 from exam 2. So the question states, the length of human pregnancies is approximately normally distributed with mean mu equals 266 days and standard deviation sigma equals 16 days. The first part of the question asks, what is the probability that a randomly selected pregnancy lasts less than 260 days?
Okay, so step 1, we have to determine the necessary values. So the problem has given us mu equals 266 and sigma equals 16. So we have those, we just need to record those. Step 2 is to determine the probability. So we're looking for the probability of x is less than 260. So step 3, we have to find the z-score associated with this. So we have the formula z equals x minus mu over sigma. And we plug in our information. We have 260 minus 266 over 16. And this works out to 0.38. So step 4 is to find the p-value on the z-table using the z-score. Okay, so we're going to go to our z-table here. And we're looking for 0.38. So our first digit, 0.3, is right here. And then we follow this over here to 0.08. So we have 0.38. That is the coordinating number, 0.6480. So we know that we have this right here, 0.6480. So step 5 is to do 1 minus the number that we just found because the question is asking for less than. So we do that, and this works out to 0.35197. And that is our answer for that step of the problem for A. So then for B, what is
the probability that a random sample of 20 pregnancies has a mean gestation period of 260 days or less?
Okay, so again, step 1 is to determine the probability. We're looking for x hat is less than or equal, the probability that x bar is less than or equal to 260. Step 2 is to determine the standard deviation, which we have to do differently because we're looking for the standard deviation of x bar, not of mu, like it gives us in the problem. So to do this, we do the standard deviation of x bar equals sigma over the square root of n. When we plug that in, we get 16 over root 20, and this equals 3.578. So we're going to go over here to step 3. So now we have to find the z-score. So we're going to plug in our formula right here. We get 260 minus 266 over 3.578. And now this equals negative 1.68. So we're going to go to the other side. Notice this side's positive. We're going to go to the other side where it's negative. And we can find negative 1.68. We're going to find negative 1.6. And then we're going to follow this down to 0.08, which leads us right here to 0.0465. So then we know step 4 is find the p-value on the z-table. We just did that. Negative 1.68 equals 0.0465. And that is the answer to B.